Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It's April 22nd, Monday, when I'm recording this. Just remember, we're always running a $7 trial for 30 days if you guys want to come in and check it out, see what the Moxie Room is all about. Anyway, so let's dive into the markets for a little bit. So we know that this market has been very heavy for quite some time, and we've been seeing this set up for a while. In fact, the market definitely pushed to the high side longer than I thought it would have, and it seems like the market is also pushing to the downside a little bit longer than I would have thought too. So I kind of was thinking we were going to get a bounce last week. Definitely didn't happen. Maybe part of it is because of what's going on with Netflix had earnings, but then also SMCI and Nvidia and just the big mega cap stack of tech stocks are just getting absolutely smashed. So the market just could not recover. Underneath the surface, though, some of the indicators that I'm looking at are actually saying that the rest of the market has found its low. Now, I'm not saying that this is the low and the market's going to start heading up, but I do think we're getting pretty close to a bounce. And the indicators are saying that the rest of the market has actually found that low and they are starting to bounce. So now we're just kind of waiting for the indices to catch up. And I think that means that, if we go look at something like, as I said, Nvidia, you see this thing just absolutely smashed. Hey, at some point, it's going to get a little oversold and we should see if there's a bounce. We can even look at, let's see, Meta was moving down. Also, you could see that. Now, it does have earnings coming up. We'll have to see whatever happens with it. And then even Microsoft, we were seeing a lot of these names moving down. And I will say, we've had some very, very clear signals on the Moxie indicator. So on the daily chart, there's your Moxie price trigger to the downside. On the hourly chart, this has not been a long signal or a long entry or a long move for quite some time. This is what I call an inverse trampoline move. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below 0, and we have been seeing this on numerous stocks out there, numerous stocks, indices, ETFs, a lot of stuff were telling us, hey, this market is going to be running out of steam to the upside and starting to move down. We could also see that with the Moxie indicator on the S&P. I mean, just look how bumpy that was for a long time. Now, as I said, it took quite a while for it to actually kick in and do something, but lost my light. But once it finally did, you could see here is where price started to come back down and actually get underneath these moving averages. So it's been a big deal as far as the market moving down. So we'll have to see. We're looking for some sort of turnaround. There should be one eventually. We're kind of looking for that. We are playing some interesting and new indicators that are kind of related to volatility, and that should be pretty good. We're seeing a lot of divergence with a lot of positive divergence, and so as long as those start kicking in, I'm looking for the market to have some sort of bounce. So hopefully in this area, maybe this week. I know the GDP estimates are coming out too, so I don't know. We'll see if that is going to move the markets. All right, guys. Thanks again, and remember, you can come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie, or you can come check out my Twitter page over at Profit Pilot. All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.